Today we are at Promenade at the Square, which is an 86 townhome community right near the Marietta Square. And today we have Tim, who is a new home consultant with Lennar, to tell us more.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Tim Cao. I'm the new home sales consultant for Promenade at the Square, and I'm delighted to welcome everybody to visit us. Promenade at the Square opened a year ago, and since then we have sold 52 homes and closed over 40 homes. Our community is off Powder Spring Street. We have Hilton Conference Center and Marietta Golf Club next to us. We are walking distance to Marietta Square, which features retail shopping and numerous restaurants. In addition, we're less than 2 miles to Kennesaw State University and only 4 miles from Highway 75, exit 263. Promenade at the Square offers 3 floor plans, and all 3 plans are 2-car front-load garage. We're in transitioning to our new layouts, which still offering 3 to 4 bedrooms townhomes with 2.5 to 3.5 bath. All 3 new layout floor plans include open concept of joining kitchen and family room. And all new layouts offering open kitchen with an island in the center, 5-burner stove, granite countertop, and stylish ceramic tile backsplash. Our gorgeous owner suite features vaulted ceiling and separate tub and shower. In addition, Lennar is the only Wi-Fi certified builder in the nation. Your new home will include a wireless access point in each floor to broadcast signal, which means there's no Wi-Fi dead spot in your home. We are priced in the low 300s. Square footages range from 1875 to 1900. We are also offering 3 different elevations for each floor plan. Please come see us this weekend to tour our move-in ready inventory homes. For our July 4th weekend sales, incentives and additional information, please call us at 404-931-7462 or visit us online at lennar.com/Atlanta.
Promenade at the Square has a great self-tour option that you might want to check out, and they have a 4th of July sales event going on with some incredible incentives for the 4th of July weekend.